now going to the day market to buy some ingredients for the curry that we're going to be cooking later. So this is a regular Taiwanese day market. So a lot of motorcycles riding around, and all of a sudden they're going to stop in the side and buy some stuff. All right. So later I'll see where's our destination is. We are going to buy this dumpling wrap. 这多少？25块。
Make sure you put potato at first, because potato need to boil very well, and put some salt and let it boil. And when it's come to boiling temperature then you add this carrot, and then you add the beans, because the beans and carrot they don't need that much time to boil, like to boil one, and if it's boiled too much it won't be that tasty. So we're trying to make a curry, so you can eat with like a foodie or like one. So we're trying to get like a easy way to do in Taiwan. There's a simple way, and we show you how to do it. Now it's good to add a little bit turmeric, and it's really healthy, and you can add to it. So it's good for your skin, and it's also antioxidant, and it's also kills the tumor cells. So add a little bit turmeric. Sure the flame is sim, okay? And if you have a mustard seed, you can put a mustard seed. And some people, they don't like the taste of the mustard seed, so you don't need to. And we're gonna try to add ginger, and to make sure that the oil won't stick to you, and your garlic. Okay. Some place you can get a garlic and ginger paste. In that case, I think that's better. You can use garlic and ginger paste, and make sure you add the chili up to your like spice taste. Okay. Carrot actually gave this curry a little bit sweet taste. I think you know it. Carrot after cooked, they got like a little bit sweet taste. Same to onion too. Onion, if not cooked, it's like a little bit spicy, but after you cook with like oil, it becomes a little bit sweet. And make sure the salt is enough. If you get like a tomato, you can add tomato into it or tomato puree, whatever that's comfortable to you. The teeth, your toothache and saying that's really good as flour. It's a flour. And if you have any like a blender or something, you can blend it.
Yeah.
But we don't have, so we're just using it to fry it. You can add it,
just
like a 4-clove and also some cardamom. I got this cardamom seeds. You can buy the whole cardamom. This is a cardamom seeds, a garam masala or meat masala that you can buy. Okay, I'm adding a little bit now, and I will add later. So just little bit garam masala. It's not spicy; it just gives you the flavor. So don't need to worry that. Let it cook for a while. Let it boil for a while, and if you can't do like just try to smash it. That gives you a nice gravy feeling. Okay. You can use the ketchup, but it's kind of lazy way. Okay, but it'll be fine. But don't add too much ketchup. The problem, it will give you a little bit sweet taste. So tomato puree will be great. Okay, ketchup have a kind of like a sweet taste into it, so I prefer tomato puree. For making the puree or like a puri or the fried bread, there's an easy way, it's a trick that you can buy this dumpling wrap in Taiwan.
Dumpling wrap, 水饺皮.
And it's kind of cheaper here, and you can get this for $10 if you want more. You can get
this is
just use to roll it a little bit.
Yeah.
To make a little bit like thin and wide.
Just a cheap way to do it.
Yeah, so we're trying to do it in the way we can do. Okay. So yeah, this thing is enough. Okay, if you can make it this thin level, it's okay. Okay.
So this is the consistency that we would like to see.
Okay, it just need to be like this. Okay.
Okay.
It's ready. It's simple. You take a small piece and then you drop it in an oil, and then you see it. If it comes up straight up, and you know the oil is ready. Yes, now you know the oil is ready. Okay. So roll one, and now you know oil is hot enough. And then you take your dumpling wrap. And please make sure don't burn your hand. Okay, fingers, if you make sure, because it's hot oil. And you put one and try to make sure it's okay. And if you can put as much oil you can, is good, but don't waste the oil. And it's not good for your health. Good. It's a nice one coming up. Okay. Okay. And it's really crispy.
Crunchy.
And you will find it's a really good one. Same like the puri in India. I don't like company. I really picky with the company. This one is good.
It's good.
Add this one, okay?
Okay.
Add this one, okay? This is a good one, okay?
It's crunchy,
Yeah.
tasty, good.